My name's Ethan. I go to the Bay School of San Francisco, and I am a rising senior. For my starter project, I made the TV Begon. It is this device that can turn on or off any TV that has a RF receiver. So I'm going to do this one. It takes a sec, so I'm going to describe it while it does it. Throughout the project, I started off with a blank board and started all the components onto it. From there, I then had to, it just did it. From there, I then had to describe and learn how what everything does from when you press the button to when the actual LEDs flash. And that took some time, but then I was able to describe how it works. So when you first press the button, this button resets this chip, which then oscillates at a 8 megahertz frequency, and sends the power, burst of power 8 million times to this first transistor, which then regulates that power to these 4 transistors, which then flash these LEDs all at the same time. The 2 white LEDs are for the more directed beam, so high power straightforward, versus these 2 blue LEDs, which send a much wider beam, low power but in a much wider angle. It also has this blue crystal right here, which tells it what the frequency is to oscillate, and that can be adjusted for different markets, where this one works for American TVs and either British or European or like Australian TVs both have different frequencies which would have to be adjusted for it to work in other areas.